let me show you a way to set up binomial expansion for year one so that you're going to get the right answer quickly and accurately. So what you're going to do is you're going to call this bit your A bit. You're going to call the other bit, and you're going to include everything after the first bit, and you're going to call that your B part. Okay, so this is key. You're going to write out what your n is. So your n in this case is 5, and then we're going to set it up. So there's always going to be one more than the power number of terms. So I'm going to set those up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm then going to use the numbers for n. So you can use the calculator, but I think it is worth knowing the first sort of few rows for this, just to save you a little bit of time. So I think it's reasonable to go up to 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 to know the numbers up to that. So we put the numbers in. So we're going to do 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. I'm going to assume they have to do everything here, okay? And then you're going to write the A's in, and you're going to put it in a bracket. So you can go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and another 1. And you're going to do the B part. So you're going to do 2x, 2x. I could put a plus sign, but there's no need really for me to do that here. 2x, 2x, 2x. Okay, and then you're going to make sure that the powers always add up to n. So I'm going to start with all of the power on this bit, none of the power here. Okay, and then look at the pattern. I'm going to make one go down, the other go up. One go down, the other go up. One go down, the other go up. One go down, the other one go up. One go down, the other one go up. Okay, there's also some shortcuts you can do here. So when you have 1 to the power of anything, it's always just 1. So I'm going to get rid of all of these 1s, because here they don't do anything. Okay, I'm also going to get rid of something to the power of 0, because that's always 1 as well. So the first term is just 1. Okay, the next bit is 5 times 2x, so you can do that bit fairly quickly. Well, that's just going to be 10x. Let's do the next one. So the next one is going to be for the x squared part. So for the x squared, you're going to get 2 squared, which is 4, times 10, which is 40. So let me show you that part again, because this is how you can use your calculator to speed it up a little bit. So this is going to be the x cubed one, for example, over here. It's going to be your x cubed. So what you're going to type in on your calculator when it gets more difficult is you're going to type in 10 times 2 cubed. Now, that's not so difficult here, but later on it will save you some time. Okay, so 2 cubes 8, so that's 80, for example. Let's do one more. So we're going to have 2 to the 4, 16, times 5 is going to be another 81, x to the 4. And the final one, 2 to the 5 is going to be 32, x to the 5. Okay, so you just have to kind of like set it up this way. But what's powerful about the way I'm doing it here is it's not going to take much longer, even when we do it with the other case. So let's do it with the one underneath. And you can see what I mean, that it won't take you that much longer. So you're going to write out your A. Your A value here is a 2 this time. You're going to write out your B. Your B is going to be minus 3x. And your N is just 4. Okay, so there's always more than one more than this. So this is going to be the same as something plus something plus something plus something plus something. Okay, and you're going to just quickly put your numbers in. 4. So for 4, I'm looking at this row here. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, you're going to put the A in all of them. So you're going to have 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. And then you're going to put the B part in all of them. So you're going to do minus 3x, minus 3x, minus 3x, minus 3x, and minus 3x. Okay, the powers, we'll do the same thing again. We'll put it all on the number first. So 4 is 4 and 0. This one's going to go down, this one's going to go up. So I've got 3 and 1, 2 and 2, 1 and 3, 0 and 4. Okay, anything to the power of 0 is always 1, so let's get rid of those straight away. 2 to the power of 4 is just 16, so that's about 16. Let's do this bit over here. So now what you can do is you can kind of pull the x's out, and then you're going to type everything else. You can type everything else in a calculator, just because it's a quick way of making sure you get the right answer. So I'm going to do 4 times 8 times 3 is a negative, so it's going to be minus 96x, for example. Okay, so if you know what the x is and you pull that out, you just type everything else in as it is on the calculator to make sure you get the right answer. Let's show you that step one more time. So the next one has an x squared, so it's the x squared part. So what you're going to do is you're going to type that in your calculator exactly as it appears on the screen, and it will give you the right answer. So 6, 2 squared, and then brackets, minus 3, close that, squared. And I've typed that into my calculator already, and it says 260. Okay, so very quick way of getting the right answer. One more time. So we know it's going to be about x cubed. So what do we type into the calculator this time? So we type in that exactly as it appears on the screen. So you're going to have a 4, a 2 in a bracket, a minus 3 in a bracket, and outside that bracket is a 3. So I get minus 216 when I do all of that. Okay, one more time. This one's not so bad actually. So it's minus 3 to the power 4. So that's like squaring it. It's 9. Square it again. So it's going to be 81. Okay, so that's a really, really quick way there that you can get the correct answer just by setting it up and then using your calculator as well.